So today we have Letitia's second surf club. Second what? Today we have Letitia's second surf comp and the conditions are looking amazing. Hey Dej, are you excited? Yeah. We're going solo, Jonathan's still not home. We're gonna pick him up later tonight.
She came first!
She came first in her first heat. And now we're waiting. Do you know what time your second heat is?
No.
Maybe you should check that.
Yeah, I will.
How do you think you went on your comp?
Good.
Do you think you came first?
I mean, I hope so. I think she came first.
Deja, so in your first, in the semi-final, you were coming third.
Yeah.
And Deja kept coming up to me like every 5 seconds. She's like, "What is she coming now? What is she coming now?" And then when I told her you were coming first, she was really happy. Hey, Deja.
What do you mean? I was coming third and then I came first.
Well, during the heat, like, they score you as you get each wave. So you were coming third, and then at the end, you were first. Yeah. Now we're going home to check on the puppies.
Oh yeah, I forgot about them.
Do you even love them?
Yes, you know I do. You love them.
You love your friend.
Are you excited to see
And then what are we
Dad?
doing tonight?
We're getting Dad.
No.
I'm getting Dad.
We're eating sushi.
Yes, we're getting sushi. Remember that fact.
I have never promised to sushi,
She
okay?
only said if we're being
I
good.
said maybe, and if you piss me off, then it's a no.
So
So
what
you
are
have
we
to be on
right
your
now?
best behaviour. You're good. So we're back home now, checking on the puppies. Hi puppies. Aww, have you been good? We've ordered some more collars for them because they're getting so big. You thirsty, Dream? Yeah. Sorry, Bob? Are you sitting properly?
Yeah.
I got first.
Did you actually? Show the camera. Oh yeah. I'm so proud of you.
Classy. I want to see.
How good is that? She came first in her comp. Woo! Because she's gonna be the next
Can you not post that? That's right.
Australian surfer champion.
Okay.
Why do you get so embarrassed? What was the score? Like, how first did you come?
I'll check.
How first?
She needed 7.91.
Shut up.
I literally told you I had it in the bag.
Up. Are you serious?
Yes.
What happened?
Ate won by a lot. That's insane. Oh man.
Came above first if there was.
Sorry?
She would have came above first if there was above first.
What? That doesn't even make sense.
Yes, it does.
Okay. That's crazy. Screenshot that to Dad. He's gonna be so freaking happy.
He said so good, Bob, with 2 exclamation marks.
Oh yeah, he's happy.
Oh yeah, Bob, you won. Oh yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Stay there for a second. So we're gonna end the vlog here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We just got sushi. Gonna go pick up Jonathan a little later today. Have an awesome Did you fart?
Sorry. It was like,
It was like that.
no, I didn't.
It was
Okay, I'm joking.
rubbing
Okay. It's all good. Okay, love you guys.